Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to clean your kitchen exhaust fan. If you've noticed your fan isn't performing as well as it used to, or you're concerned about kitchen safety, you're in the right place. Regular maintenance is crucial, not only for efficiency, but also to prevent potential fire hazards. Let's begin with preparation. First, ensure your safety by turning off and unplugging the exhaust fan. If it's attached to a microwave, unplug the entire appliance. Once it's cooled down, locate the grease filter, usually found on the underside of the hood. Carefully unhook it using the levers or tabs provided. Next, it's time to tackle the grease filter. Fill your sink with hot water, adding a tablespoon of dish soap and a generous sprinkle of baking soda. Submerge the filter and let it soak for about 30 minutes. This mixture works wonders in breaking down stubborn grease. While the filter is soaking, let's move on to cleaning the fan blades. Use a non-abrasive sponge with a baking soda paste or a mild cleaning solution. Gently wipe down each blade, avoiding excess moisture to protect the electrical components. Once your filter has soaked, scrub it gently with a soft bristled brush to remove any remaining grease. Rinse it thoroughly under running water and allow it to air dry completely before reassembling. Now that everything is clean and dry, reinsert the filter, ensuring it's securely in place. To maintain optimal performance and hygiene, consider cleaning your exhaust fan at least once a month. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, a clean kitchen is a safe kitchen. Happy cleaning!